What do you all want to be when you grow up? I'm an apprentice at a wheat donut shop. I knead the dough to make the donuts soft, fluffy, and chewy. When I grow up, I want to open my own donut shop and make all kinds of donuts so everyone can enjoy them. I love donuts because they are sweet, yummy, and always make me smile. I love the round ones with holes. I also like the simple ones, but I'm a fan of chocolate and nuts, too. My favorite? Donuts with strawberry sauce, blueberries, kiwis, and bananas. How about a fruit donut with two halves in different colors, like a rainbow mystery donut?
Now, Kamuga-chan, it's your turn.
No, I'm busy at work, but I'll give it my best shot next time. Oh, and by the way, I already picked the name for my donut shop. It's called Dokkin Donut. Let's have some fun with craft paper. Let's crumple it and roll it tight. Once you're done, slowly unroll it. Let's do it again. Is your paper getting softer now? Just fluff it up about 5 times, and that's enough. Now, roll up your soft paper from the long side. Does it look like a little stick? If you stick a piece of cellophane tape on the end like a top knot, it'll be super easy to roll it into a donut shape. Stick it on really well and shape it into a donut. You can use tissue paper or origami paper to add your flavors. Next, I'll try rolling up origami paper. Look! I made a sweet strawberry donut. I even added some fun stickers on top. Next time, I'm going to roll up yellow tissue paper sideways. And there we go, a striped donut. Looks so yummy, doesn't it? Next, I'll make the corners of the donut. Let's crumple up a big piece of craft paper and roll the pointy side in toward the middle. Then roll the other side in too. It's okay to do it gently. Now, take the ends you didn't roll with some cellophane tape to create a little handle. Give it a gentle pull, and ta-da! We have a fun little basket. Okay, everyone, it's your turn. Let's make a Dokkin Donut together. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.